Hello everyone, welcome to this video. If you are searching for a Mastercam post-processor for Takisawa TS4000YS, or a FANUC 4-axis mill-turn post-processor, or a lathe post-processor with Y-axis and live tooling, then this video is exactly for you. In this video, I will explain everything you need to know about the Takisawa TS4000YS 4-axis mill-turn post-processor for Mastercam, including machine capability, axis support, features, and how to get the post-processor. The Takisawa TS4000YS is a high-performance CNC mill-turn lathe, commonly used in production machining, automotive components, precision engineering, job shops and contract manufacturing. The YS configuration means this machine supports turning operations, live tooling, Z-axis control, Y-axis machining. To program this type of machine correctly in Mastercam, you need a proper mill-turn post-processor. This machine runs on a FANUC CNC controller, which is widely used in mill-turn applications. The FANUC control supports turning can cycles, live tool milling, Z-axis indexing, Y-axis interpolation, subprograms. Because FANUC has strict G-code formatting, a generic lathe post-processor will not work correctly. You need a dedicated FANUC mill-turn post-processor for Mastercam. It is not a simple 2-axis lathe. A correct post-processor must manage turning operations, milling with live tools, Z-axis rotation, Y-axis motion, axis substitution logic. If the post-processor is incorrect, milling operations may fail, axis motion may be wrong, FANUC alarms can occur, production time is lost. That is why using a machine-specific and controller-specific post-processor is critical. Let's look at the technical details of this post-processor. Machine name, Takisawa TS4000YS. Control name, FANUC. Mill-turn support, yes. 4-axis, axis substitution, yes. Subprograms, yes. Can cycles, yes. This post-processor is designed for real production environments, not just testing. This post-processor supports the following axes: X-axis, turning diameter movement, Z-axis, longitudinal turning movement, Z-axis, rotary axis for milling and indexing, Y-axis, off-center milling and drilling. So this is a true 4-axis mill-turn post-processor. This post-processor works smoothly with Mastercam lathe and mill-turn workflows. You can create turning toolpaths, add milling operations, program Z-axis and Y-axis machining, post-clean FANUC G-code. Everything is handled inside Mastercam using one post-processor. If you are looking to download this post-processor, you can contact us using the details in the video. We provide verified and tested post-processors, correct machine matching, installation guidance, basic testing support. We do not provide random or untested files. If you need this post-processor, you can contact us, and if you are working with any other CNC machine, feel free to reach out. We have a large collection of Mastercam post-processors, including FANUC mill-turn machines, Mazak machines, Siemens machines, Heidenhain machines, Haas and Okuma machines. Our collection supports mill, lathe, mill-turn, wire EDM, router machines. We provide post-processors according to your exact machine and controller requirements. To summarize, this is a professional Mastercam 4-axis mill-turn post-processor for the Takisawa TS4000YS, designed for FANUC control, supporting X, Z, Y, and Z axes, including axis substitution, subprograms, and can cycles, and suitable for real production use. Thank you for watching this video. If this video helped you understand Takisawa TS4000YS FANUC post-processors, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. If you need this post-processor, or any other Mastercam post-processor, you can contact us directly. All contact details are available in the video. Thanks again for watching, and see you in the next video.